from JB, top change customer, Singapore, Malaysia, EMMA champion. I think he win a few Singapore Cups also. Come, let me show you. Yes, this is ZR. Here we go. Ooh, nicely done. Very matching pillar with the color. You see here. Ooh, GZ. Nice. Got a very nice wood panel here also. Original. Fully wood matching bag. And this is the amp he's using. Yeah. With Kenwood head unit. Simple setup for the front. He has a big wheel. Yep. We are lucky to be in Liang's car. Give you a good, nice view. Let's go check out behind. Yep, we're at the behind here. Mappletech. Seldom see this brand, right? Yeah, this Mappletech from Canada. Of course, with the GZ subwoofer. Simple and neat setup. And guess what? This is still here. Oh, the diagrams from previous EMMA. Give you a full view here of all the items. Nicely done. Simple. You still have wood space, everything. Yep. Thank you, Liang, for your car.
What's born to last? Life is like an ocean wide. I wonder who I am. No more alone. Some may doubt, but you will try. So full of love are you and I. Life is like an ocean wide. I wonder who I am. No more alone. What a dance, what a chance, what your heart can feel. With a touch, you can change your reality. You can be what you want.